Have you ever wondered why the moon never shows us its dark side? It's all because of a natural phenomenon called tidal locking. This cosmic dance between the Earth and the moon causes the moon to rotate on its axis at the same rate it orbits our planet. So, we always see the same face, hence the term, the dark side of the moon. It's the hidden half we never get to witness from our earthly perspective. Quite fascinating, isn't it? But that's just the tip of the lunar iceberg. Believe it or not, our moon is full of surprises. Did you know that it experiences its own version of earthquakes? Yes, you heard it right. These are called moonquakes, and they happen due to the gravitational interaction with Earth. There are 4 different types of moonquakes: deep, shallow, thermal, and meteorite impact. The shallow moonquakes are particularly interesting as they can be quite violent despite the moon's serene appearance from our planet. Now, let's talk about the moon's slow but steady escape. Each year, the moon drifts approximately 1.5 inches further from the Earth. This is caused by tidal friction, a process that also causes the rotation of the Earth to slow down. So, while we may not notice it in our lifetime, the moon's getaway is a fascinating testament to the ever-changing nature of our universe. Lastly, let's put the moon's size into perspective. You might picture it as a gigantic celestial body, but did you know that the moon is actually smaller than the United States? If you were to superimpose the moon over the United States, it would fall short of coast to coast by a few hundred miles. These facts give us a glimpse into the moon's unique qualities and behaviors. Who would have thought that our quiet, unassuming moon could be so dynamic and intriguing? The moon, our nightly companion, is more than just a beautiful sight in the sky. It's a celestial body that's full of surprises. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. We've discovered the phenomenon of the moon's tidal locking. This means the same side of the moon is always facing us, giving rise to the term dark side of the moon. Then we delved into moonquakes, seismic activities on the moon, much like our own earthquakes. We also learned about the moon's gradual drift from Earth. Each year it's moving away approximately 1.5 inches. That's like adding a layer of 2 stacked nickels to the distance between us and the moon every year. And let's not forget, the moon is not as small as it seems. It's about 1/4 the size of Earth, making it the 5th largest moon in our solar system. Next time you gaze up at the moon, remember its remarkable traits and the mysteries it still holds for us to unravel.